Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I colored this hair and how I made it into a wig. I'm going to be coloring 3 blonde bundles with a 14-inch closure. I'm just going to mix a conditioner with half periwinkle and half platinum colors. This is actually my first time coloring blonde extensions, so don't come for me in the comments please. I'm not a professional. I started applying color from the roots because they need most of the color and processing time. I then combed through the rest of the hair to distribute the color. Because I ran out of dye, I decided to go in with the purple shampoo. With the purple shampoo, it didn't work out the way I expected, so I had to rush to the store to buy a new hair dye. Unfortunately, the Adore brand is not available in store in Germany. The ones that I had, I ordered them online from UK, so I had to buy a different brand. I found the silver blonde hair dye in store and I used it to apply in the areas where I use purple shampoo. For making a wig, I started by pinning the dome cap and the closure into the mannequin head. I will stitch the lace closure down into the cap all around until I reach the other side. I'm sorry the camera was not on focus. Anyway, next I'm gonna sew the first bundle ear to ear, connecting to the lace closure. With the needle, I'll go under the weft and out through the cap. When I reach the end, I will fold over the hair and continue stitching. After I finish sewing the hairs, I will then sew in the wig comb to help secure the wig. I will also sew an elastic band. I am now done with the wig. Let me know what you think of the color, and please don't forget to give this video a like, and until next time, bye bye.